Welcome back to Drive Nation US, your destination for discovering the newest vehicles, innovative designs, and the latest automotive technology from around the world. Today we're exploring the 2026 lineup from Maruti Suzuki under its popular retail network Maruti Suzuki Arena, which continues to deliver practical, efficient, and affordable vehicles for millions of drivers. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Arena lineup represents the brand's commitment to providing reliable and accessible cars designed for everyday driving. Arena models are known for their simple ownership experience, strong fuel efficiency, and practical features that appeal to first-time buyers and families. Vehicles sold through the Arena network typically include some of the company's most popular models such as the Maruti Suzuki Alto, Maruti Suzuki Wagon R, Maruti Suzuki Swift, and Maruti Suzuki Dzire. For the 2026 model year, the Arena vehicles continue to evolve with refreshed styling and improved technology. The design of these vehicles focuses on modern simplicity, with clean body lines, stylish front grille,s and LED lighting elements that give the cars a more contemporary look. Even though these vehicles remain compact and practical, their updated styling helps them stand out in the highly competitive small car market. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Arena models focus on comfort and user-friendly technology. The dashboards are designed with simple layouts and improved materials that provide a more refined feel than earlier versions. Most models now feature touchscreen infotainment systems with smartphone connectivity, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and communication apps while driving. Passenger comfort is also an important part of the Arena lineup. Despite their compact size, vehicles like the Wagon R and Dzire are known for offering surprisingly spacious interiors. Comfortable seating, good headroom, and practical storage compartments make these cars suitable for daily commuting as well as longer road trips with family members. Under the hood, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Arena models continue to use efficient petrol engines designed for low running costs and excellent fuel economy. Many vehicles are powered by lightweight engines that deliver smooth performance for city driving while keeping maintenance costs affordable. Some models may also include factory-fitted CNG options for drivers who want even lower fuel costs and reduced emissions. Driving these vehicles is designed to be simple and comfortable, especially in crowded urban environments. Their compact size makes parking easier, while light steering and efficient suspension systems help deliver a smooth ride on city roads. These qualities make Arena cars particularly popular among new drivers and urban commuters. Safety has also improved across the Arena lineup. Modern safety features such as dual airbags, anti-lock braking systems, electronic stability control, and rear parking sensors are increasingly common across many models. These technologies help provide better protection and confidence for drivers and passengers. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Arena lineup represents practical mobility for millions of drivers who value reliability, efficiency, and affordability. By combining modern features with trusted engineering, these vehicles continue to play an important role in everyday transportation across many markets. Thanks for watching Drive Nation US. If you enjoy learning about practical cars, new vehicle technology, and the latest automotive trends, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more exciting vehicle reviews and reveals right here on Drive Nation US. Car